Nowadays, learning English is one of the essential needs. However, many people who are eager to learn English feel confused at first. I mean, how many times have you heard someone say, "I understand what they are saying, but I can't speak." Or "I want to learn English, but I don't know where to start." Well, to reach the destination in any path, we need a starting point. In the path of language learning, you need to know your level to know the starting point. You may be the type of person who likes to start from scratch. In general, we have two beginner level categories. True beginner, which means that you don't know anything about English language. And false beginner, which means that you know a little. For example, you studied it in school, but you still can't make sentences or have grammar problems. If you are a false beginner, then you are a few steps ahead, but if you are a true beginner, it is necessary to build the basic foundations of your language first and slowly. Now, you should know that language learning has a fixed cycle. You must be in the vicinity of the language or exposure. You must study and review the language. And you must use what you have studied or practice. In general, you don't learn anything until you start speaking. Very optimistically, you may understand English, but not be able to speak. Of course, according to your needs, you should also work on other language skills, such as reading, writing, and grammar. Now you may ask, how long will it take for me to learn English? I must say that it depends on your needs. I mean that if your intention of learning English is only to go on a trip and meet your needs during the trip, you should be trained for approximately 350 to 400 hours. Or if your goal is to enjoy English movies and serial or music, you need to strengthen your listening skills more than other skills. But you should know that in learning English, maintaining balance is more important than anything else. That means, as much time you spend on learning grammar, you have to spend on learning vocabulary and pronunciation. Keep in mind that spending time on memorizing vocabulary or reading grammar will not help you speak English. You will not learn much of English until you start speaking and practice. The three basic skills required for beginners are these three sections. First, the ability to make English sentences. Second, expansion of English vocabulary. Third, the ability to use English grammar. To learn each of these sections, you can watch the related video on my channel.